In this video, I'm going to try to restore as much as I can the leather in the second and third row in this Suburban. The leather is not looking very good, it's very dirty, it has a lot of scratches, has a lot of dark wrinkles that make it look very old. So I'm going to do a deep cleaning. I'm going to dye the leather with the same color from the company. It's a dye made by a company called Sick Doctors, and then I'm going to do a full conditioning treatment. Hopefully I can bring back the luster on the seats. I don't need to buy new leather covers. There is actually quite some dirt just in between the seams, so I'm going to try to clean as much as I can here. Next, I'm going to use Chemical Guys leather cleaner to clean all the surfaces. Not too bad. The third road actually is not that bad. Right now, the moment of truth. Should I recommend using this dye with a towel, with a sponge, or you can spray also on the leather? I'm just going to use a piece of rag, old t-shirt. Gonna shake it. Now let's see. Let's see what we get. This is the before, and this is the after. Oh, it's looking way better. But check this out. One coat, no coat. Yeah, this black wrinkles, they're just going away. So much better. This part has a lot of scratches right here. So while this first coat is drying up, let me show you something. I already did my GMC Sierra seats. This was all damaged. It's a different color, but it looks like brand new. I was about to change the this cover, but I was able to restore it with this dye. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Now I need to do the same on the steering wheel. All right, second coat. It is looking so much better already. Yeah, this leather is looking so much better now. Look at this. Not like brand new, but more decent. And now that the dye has been drying for 24 hours, I'm going to apply conditioner. In this case, I'm using the Jay Leno's Garage conditioner, leather conditioner. I've used also the chemical gas one, but I like this one better. It is already looking so much better. Look at this shine. So the third road in this truck is made of vinyl, so it was much easier to clean. Didn't need too much restaining. But this second row, which is all leather, it looks so much better now. Look at this. All this area with the black wrinkle going away. Much smoother leather now. It really feels better. I also did the passenger seat and it's looking good. It was also super dark in these corners and it looks now much better. Driver's seat though is beyond repair. It's gonna get new foam and leather cover. And if you're wondering how much dye you need to dye the second row, I will go with 8 ounces, 16 if you're gonna do both the front passenger driver and the second row. This is 16 ounces bottle. Man, isn't she pretty? Listen to this sound. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.